How to follow a private Instagram account without sending request. So if you want to follow a private Instagram account without sending the request, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you've opened your Instagram, now go and search for the person that you would like to follow. So for example, I want to follow a person, then you need to go for the profile, which is here on the bottom right, and then go for the upper right, which has that three dot icon. Tap on settings and privacy, and then you need to scroll all the way down and go for help. Under help, you will have a report a problem option. Tap on report a problem and then tap on report problem and tap on don't include, and it will take you to report a problem page. So here you need to write that, hi Instagram team, I have been using your Instagram application for 4 years and I want to view the photos of a private Instagram account. I have sent him or her a follow request, but he's not accepting because I think he has left his account permanently and it has not been activated for a long period of time. As he's my friend in real life, so kindly let me get into his or her account, as I am the only right one to watch the private account photos. And on the bottom, you need to simply enter the username of that person that you would like to follow or that you would like to view. And once you've entered all of that, you need to simply go for send, which is here on the upper right. And once you've sent, your problem will be fixed. Within 48 hours, you will get a response from the Instagram team. But if you didn't get a response, then the last thing you need to do is you just need to follow the account, because without that, we don't have any other option. So that's how you can follow a private Instagram account without sending the friend request. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.